It is one of the most rewarding things to take a person who wants to play tennis, to work on them, to treat them, and then they come back and they let you know they've been out on the court again, they've been back to the things that they enjoy. You have a hooked bone, which my mom would call a spur, where the bone hooks over, and we want to make that flat.
My wife did extensive research on a shoulder surgeon. Dr. Mighell came up with as the guy. He's just like one of the guys. He explains everything thoroughly. He takes his time. He spent hours with me talking about different options.
Somewhere around 4 to 6 months, you're going to come in and say, I'm good. It's really a very gratifying profession, and when patients come to the Florida Orthopaedic Institute, I hope that they have a very favorable experience. Your collarbone meets your shoulder blade right here. I think you can expect treatment from someone who's been doing shoulder and elbow problems for 25 years. During the course of that time, I've fixed over 2,000 rotator cuffs. I've replaced close to 3,000 shoulders. So I have a wealth of experience, and I'm done. Wasn't that bad, right?
I didn't even feel it. Miles was very personable, letting me know the time frames in which I could return back to work. Feeling like I had a person in front of me instead of somebody who was just a plain old doctor, thought I was a number. He understood what I was going through.
So if you make your bicep on this side and you pull up, so you make the muscle on this one.
I'm definitely in good hands with Dr. Miles. I feel comfortable with him.
And then if your thumb's down towards the ground and you try to push up towards the sky, it's a little bit weaker on that side.
I've become very emotional since I had a stroke. Everything bothers me when I talk about myself, my family, my kids. Now I know I can come to Dr. Miles and I can get treated. Great to see a doctor that personable with you and to treat you like that. I'll recommend him to anybody.
I think it's been in my family, it's a calling, and I'm just happy that you choose me as a doctor.